So first, let's start with our trend on our odd US dollar. So we would want to know what this our trend is, and the best time frame to actually understand the trend is our daily time frame right now. So what the market do here? Market broke out of this resistance and came back to retest it. I will be explaining why the market did that. So if you are yet to subscribe and you have not done that yet, click on that subscribe button right now, like, share, and also follow the Telegram channel. I will put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So follow the Telegram channel in order for you not to miss out on any updates and stay updated. Link to the Telegram will be in the comment section. Now, first, we are going to analyze why markets came back to test this previous resistance level and why we'll be expecting a bullish move. But before that, let's start with our trend on odd US dollar. So first thing first, before you take a trade, you would want to know the trend of that your trade. And we can clearly see that odd US dollar is in an uptrend move. So if you take a look at this to be our high, this is also seen as the higher low. This is also now as the higher high, and here comes the equal higher low right here. So this is an equal higher low that odd US dollar has done, right? Now this is also another higher high. You can see this higher high that took out this previous high, right? Here comes the higher low, right? So markets have eventually given us a new higher high which took out this previous high. Then here comes the higher low right now. This is the higher low right here. So now that we've got to this higher low right now, you can clearly see that this place was once a ranging market move right here. This market has been ranging within this level right here. We see this multiple rejection level here, right? So when markets came to tap this level, market broke above it, right? Once market broke above it, market eventually gave us a pullback. The market was giving us a pullback to retest this level, which is our previous resistance level, right? This was the previous resistance level. Now that market has pulled back to test it, we will be expecting market to push up again to form a new high. So guys, a bullish move is what we should be expecting next on odd US dollar. So first thing, before you go ahead and taking your buy, before right you go ahead or hopping on your buy, you would actually want to get your buy set up. Remember, only hopping for the buy if you get the buy set up. If you do not see the buy set up, do not taking the buy. Do not take the buy. But once you take get the buy set up, go ahead and take the buy. Because there's also possibility that markets will likely drop back to the support level. The possibility is still very much there, but I do not see it happening. Like I said, the possibility is still very much there. So if in case it does not drop to this support level, it will most likely going to push up and form in. So above all, a bullish move is what we'll be expecting next on odd US dollar. If there will be any changes to this movement, I'll make sure I let you guys know. In order for you not to miss out on any updates, click on that subscribe button.